It nice, and people still push.
I noticed.
Why does nobody listen?
Because when you say, please step back, they hear, please explain your life story.
Why do we ask so many questions?
I know.
Then why?
Because silence is free, and you guys hate free.
Oh, man. That's good.
Yeah, laugh it up.
Tell me the truth.
Okay.
Are you scared of cops?
Not scared. I'm just allergic to that calm voice. Oh, man.
Is this a serious meeting?
Yes,
Then why are you smiling?
because you said quick chat and brought an audience.
Oh, man. Gentlemen, that's progress.
On paper. Still stuck here.
It all lines up on paper.
Paper's boring.
Brains overruled.
Oh, that's perfect. Can't argue with that. This is logical.
Emotionally?
Logic unplugged.
That's good.
I'm winning!
And what?
Scoreboard empty.
Aw, come on.
This is simple.
For spiders? Cable applied for therapy.
I double-checked.
Wrong thing.
Twice.
I'm making progress.
Backward?
Still movement, though.
Oh, man. That's cool.
All right. I'm almost done.
With what? Disappointing us?
I'm sure.
That's scary. You're always sure.
This is serious.
So are heart attacks. Sir, results matter more.
Someone else messed this up.
Sir, you were here.
Sir, blame follows you.
Where were you last night at 10 p.m.?
At your mom's house.
Don't play games with me, Featherball.
Truth still truth, big guy.
Officer Miller, do you really love me?
Yes.
Then divorce your husband quickly. I don't want any third person between us.
What?
Miller, I was just joking.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
We just need your prints for the file, all right?
Officer, these are talons, not touchscreens.
Oh, that's good. I get it.